Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video guys. So our new content today is about how to download protected Google Docs. Alright, so how can you download the file from your Google Docs? Let's quickly start our video. First, you need to open your Google Docs. After doing this, you need to select a file here. Whichever you want to download, come here. After entering the file, look at the top. You will see a three dot option. Just click on it. After clicking, come down a bit and you will see an option called share and export. Okay, so you should click on this. After clicking, look below, you will see an option that says save as. Okay, so you should click on save as. After clicking, you will see an option to choose the format. You can see you can select and save as a PDF file. Alright, you will see many options here for saving, so we will save it as a PDF file here. Okay, we will do it like this and see it is saving. So look, our file has been saved as a PDF file. So guys, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.